Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. Domenica says, I haven't been practicing this year. How can I get myself back into making magic? My whole year has been a blur and I've lost and forgotten how easy it used to come to me. Domenica, that's not, I'm not criticizing. I'm just like surprised because you're such a, such a, you were grooving with your magic for sure. So here's what I would say. Do something small. Domenica, do something small. Make it low stakes, low hurdle to get over. First thing that comes to mind, pick an oil and work with that oil every day for a week. Pick one oil. You don't even have to think about it. Like, I don't want you to be overwhelmed, like, which oil should I use today? Pick one that you're going to be, this is the theme of the week. Maybe it's Queen Elizabeth, or maybe it's abundant prosperity, or maybe it's supreme confidence, or bountiful blessings, or joie de vivre for happiness. So pick an oil of what you would like to manifest for the week. Put that oil out right next to your toothbrush every morning when you brush your teeth. I'm sure you're brushing your teeth, right? You can take a little drop of that oil and put it on yourself. And there you've said a little spell, you started your day, and you don't need to think about it anymore. This is the thing I encourage people to do. Make magic a part of your everyday. You don't have to do big spells every day. You could do small things every day. And if you do those small things every day, that adds up. That adds up. It's better to do a small thing every day than a big spell every 6 months, right? So you just want to start to get back in the groove. Make it easy. Make it something you can do in less than 30 seconds so that if you're a busy person, that you're not like, oh, I got to do that spell. I got to do that thing. No, take a few drops of oil, put it on yourself in the morning before you get ready to face your day, and put an intention out there. I'm putting on joie de vivre because I want to be happy today. Or I'm putting on magnetic attraction because I want good things to come to me today. Now, if you want the step up from that, pick an oil each day. But the easiest thing to do is just to have one oil, and that's your theme for the week. Then you only have to pick one for the whole week and you're done. Then it's just 10 seconds in the morning that you're doing this. But 10 seconds where you're focusing, saying the words, put it on you, you can do that in less than a minute for sure. And that will get you back into your practice. Just make it small, little, easy. You'll start to feel good. You'll start to want more. And then you know where to go from there. Do a candle spell, do some other kind of, yeah, there you go. That's exactly what you're going to do.